Guys, welcome back to Kelsey and Keaton, and today I'm going to be making slime, as you guys can see. So first thing you're going to be needing is a bowl, then glue, shaving cream, oil-free alkali wash, then you need lotion to make it stretchy, and then you need food coloring. I chose green because slime is mostly meant for green stuff, so yeah. And a mixing spoon. Okay, so first you're gonna need the glue. Okay, so I'm gonna need to pour in the glue. Okay. Alright, so then I'm going to be needing my shaving cream to shake it up. It's really fluffy. That's what makes my slime fluffy. And then I'm going to need to mix it. Okay. I was just using paper towel. But then I need some of this. There's a bowl in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to need about 5 squirts. And then you're going to need lotion. This one didn't melt. Yeah. Seriously. Whoa. Okay, well, that didn't turn out so better go in there. This one's new. Lotion, but this is good. Alright. Now, let's mix it. Okay. And then I'm going to be needing my food color. You're going to need about 2 drops. I'm going to mix it, and then I'm going to do 2 maybe. Wait, I'm just going to do 2. There. I might need to add more. Yeah, I'm going to add more. This is looking like a yellow, but it's actually green. Okay, that's going to do the trick. Okay. Here's my slime so far. And yeah. It's more green than it's on camera though. But this green is not doing the trick. But like seriously. I'm adding in more drops. Okay, is that gonna work? I want it to be that color. And it's not. Like, seriously. There. That's all I'm going to add. I'm not going to add any more. Even if it's not that good green color that I really want it to be. That's still okay. Oh, okay. So I get this good green color. Yeah, this is better. Okay. Okay, so I got this. Now I'm going to pour a little at a time. And this is what makes it slime. Without this, it will not make this slime. This will not turn into slime. Oh, 1 tablespoon of borax and hot water will do the trick to make this slime. So yeah, it actually is working. Yay! It's a success. Whoa. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. for like slime. This is like supposed to be fluffy slime. Here it is. They got blue food coloring. So that will make it darker, I guess, but yeah. It's really cool. All you guys need to do is just like play with it, and then it will become. So this is what it is, kinda, and yeah. So here it is. It's slime, I guess, but I mean I really like the consistency because it's really cool. And last time I tried to make a video making slime, it failed. And yeah, that was just a waste of time, I guess. And yeah, but this is really cool. I mean, look, it's like on my finger, and then it just gets all the slime off of my finger. My hand. So guys, that's how you make slime. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments let me know. Do you guys like this slime? I do. Bye.